Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. The Chausath Yogini temple, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? UT. Option A Gujarat, Option B Bihar, Option C Rajasthan, Option D Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer D Madhya Pradesh. Notes designed by British architects Lutyens and Baker. The old Parliament building served as the Imperial Legislative Council during British rule and later as the Constituent Assembly and Parliament of India. The Chausath Yogini temple in Mitaoli, Madhya Pradesh, is believed to have inspired the old Indian Parliament's circular, pillared structure. Built in the 14th century, this temple is dedicated to 64 powerful yoginis and features unique architectural elements, including a hypaethral design with no roof. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which Indian armed force conducted the Operation Sajag drill? Option A Indian Army, Option B Indian Navy, Option C Indian Air Force, Option D Indian Coast Guard. Correct answer D Indian Coast Guard. Notes the Indian Coast Guard conducted Operation Sajag, a comprehensive drill along the west coast, aimed at enhancing coastal security. Operation Sajag is conducted monthly to assess the effectiveness of coastal security measures and identify areas for improvement. It is focused on revalidating the coastal security mechanism while raising awareness among fishermen at sea. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. The 128th Constitution Amendment Bill, 2023, which was introduced recently, is associated with. Option A reserved 33 of seats for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Option B identify other backward classes OBCs. Option C reservation for economically weaker sections EWSs. Option D goods and services tax. Correct answer A reserved 33 of seats for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Notes Indian government introduced the Constitution 128th Amendment Bill, 2023. Which proposes to reserve 33 of seats for women in the Lok Sabha, the lower house of India's parliament, and state legislative assemblies. This reservation will apply to seats reserved for scheduled castes SCs and scheduled tribes STs as well. These amendments were a result of recommendations made by the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee in 1957 and the Ashoka Mehta Committee in 1977. Aiming to strengthen local self-governance and empower local bodies across rural and urban India. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Which institution is set to launch the online platform called Bima Sugam? Option A IRDAI, Option B Niti Aayog, Option C FRIDA, Option D RBI. Correct answer A IRDAI. Notes the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI is set to introduce a groundbreaking online platform called Bima Sugam, which aims to become the world's largest online market for insurance products and services. This platform will offer customers a user-friendly interface to explore and choose insurance schemes from various companies, covering life, health, and general insurance, including motor and travel insurance. It will streamline claim settlements, offering paperless processing based on policy numbers. IRDAI has allocated a budget of 200 crore for Bima Sugam. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Hoysala temples, which received UNESCO World Heritage Tag, are located in which state? Option A Tamil Nadu, Option B Karnataka, Option C Odisha, Option D West Bengal. Correct answer B Karnataka. Notes UNESCO has officially added Karnataka's sacred ensembles of Hoysalas to its prestigious World Heritage List. These ancient temples, previously on UNESCO's tentative list since 2014, now gain global recognition for their exceptional cultural and historical significance. The sacred ensembles of Hoysalas include renowned temples in Belur, such as the Chennakeshav Temple, and Halabad, featuring star-shaped architectural plans.